Hey there everybody, welcome to another episode of Bert's Bike. Today we're going to take a listen to my new Odin exhaust. Now I've looked really hard to find these exhausts and I thought they only made them for the newer Bonnevilles, but to my surprise they actually make one for the older air-cooled twins. So basically your, I guess, 2010 to 2016 range, but it's the air-cooled EFI Bonnies. So I got my exhaust from a company called newbonneville.com, and they are a Motone distributor here in the US. So if you're looking for these exhausts, go hit up newbonneville.com. They'd be happy to help you out. So why did I pick these Odin exhausts? Well, they look phenomenal, and everything that I've seen readily available looks really good on this Bonneville, but I thought these were the most unique looking exhausts that I could find. And I was a really big fan of the pea shooter look, so I was really happy with the look of the stock pipes. I just wasn't very happy with the sound because they sounded fine, but they were so quiet. Now, what I love about these is they're really proportionate to the bike. It doesn't look too long or too short. I think the dimensions are just right, and that was a really big deal for me, the aesthetic of the bike. So I haven't seen another Bonneville where I'm at that has these pipes. If you're looking for these exact ones, these are the MTE 176, and I'll put a link to where I got them below. The install was super easy. Take your old pipes off, put the new ones on. They come with all the hardware that you need. You don't really need to reuse anything from the old mounting kit. In fact, if you're gonna do a passenger peg delete, these come with their own bolts that you could just get rid of the passenger pegs, but I chose to keep mine on. If you have a pair of pannier racks, you could run into some problems with clearance from the swing arm because the way these exhausts mount, there's quite a bit of spacer built into the exhaust. Unlike the old exhaust, it was pretty much a flat piece with spacers that you could fit in, but with these Odins, the exhaust spacer is built into the unit. So you just might want to check your clearance with your swing arm if you're going to mount anything other than the passenger pegs on there. Right now I do have some clearance, but just something to keep in mind if you are going to fit this with a bunch of stuff like I have. All right, so without further ado, let's get into how this thing sounds. Now I'm going to take you through what it sounds like just being around the bike with my field recorder, and later on we'll jump on the bike and get a sound clip of what it sounds like in my helmet. So what I'll do is I'll put a lapel mic that I use for all my vlogging stuff in my helmet, and then we can hear how that sounds. All right, so let's jump into it. Well guys, thanks so much for watching this video on my Motone exhaust. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment below. It's Bert's Bike, and I'll catch you on the next one.